Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it is important to know that I'm here to help you prepare for your IELTS speaking exam with tips, strategies, and sample answers. In today's video, we're going to dive into an important cue card topic that many of you might get in the exam. I'll be sharing a well-structured response that you can use as a guide to prepare your own answer. So, if you're aiming to score high in the speaking section, make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to take notes. Please subscribe our channel for latest cue cards.
Describe a skill that you learned from older people. You should say, what is the skill? Whom did you learn it from? How did you learn it? And how do you feel about it? Cooking traditional meals is a crucial skill I picked up from elder people. My grandma, who is a superb chef and has been making delectable dishes for our family for many years, taught me this technique. I've observed her in the kitchen since I was a young child, and I've always been in awe of her ability to make so many things flawlessly without even consulting instructions or measurements. As I became older, I understood how important traditional dishes are to our culture and family traditions, which piqued my curiosity in learning her unique culinary methods. By spending more time in the kitchen with her, I began to learn. She gave me step-by-step instructions on how to properly balance flavors, prepare spices, and choose the perfect ingredients. She occasionally told me the backstories of particular recipes, which added intrigue to the learning process. Since Mom never used precise quantities and instead insisted that you must learn to feel the food, I initially found it challenging. It took me some time to realize that true cooking involves using your senses in addition to following recipes. Under her tutelage, I practiced a lot and occasionally made mistakes, but she was always kind and supportive. I got better over time and began preparing things like traditional curries, homemade pastries, and unique holiday delicacies. Acquiring this ability helped me feel more rooted in my heritage. Every time I prepare a traditional meal for my family and they enjoy it, I feel incredibly proud. The fact that I am preserving the methods and recipes that have been handed down through the years also brings me joy. Many young people in today's hectic society do not have the opportunity to learn these things, therefore I consider myself really fortunate and appreciative of my grandma for patiently and lovingly educating me. For me, cooking has evolved from a pastime to a means of unwinding and showing my loved ones how much I care. All in all, I believe that my grandmother's cooking lessons were an invaluable gift that I will always cherish. And that's it for today's session. I hope you found this video helpful and that you're feeling more confident. Remember, practice and the right guidance are the keys to success, and if you want personalized coaching to boost your scores, you're welcome to join my classes. I offer both online and offline OET, IELTS, CD IELTS, CELPIP, PTE, TOEFL training sessions, where you'll get complete support for writing, speaking, reading, and listening modules, along with detailed feedback and tips. Whether you are starting from scratch or aiming for a higher grade, I can help you reach your goal faster. To know more or to book your seat, just check the link in the description or send me a message on the given contacts. I would love to help you succeed. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more helpful learning material. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon, either in the next video, or in my class.